first question. Match the blood vessels of human heart listed under column 1 with the functions given under column 2. Choose the answers which gives the correct combination of the alphabets of two columns. Now column 1 is a blood vessel and column 2 is their functions. So the first blood vessel, that is superior vena cava, that's A, and its function is to bring deoxygenated blood from upper part of the body to the right atrium. So that's A pairs with T. Then the next blood vessel, inferior vena cava, it's B, and its function is to bring deoxygenated blood from the lower part of the body to the right atrium, that is R. Then the next blood vessel, that is pulmonary artery, its function is to carry deoxygenated blood to the lungs, that's P. And the last blood vessel, that is pulmonary vein, D, and its function is to bring oxygenated blood to the left atrium, that's S. Now among the given option, we have to see where A is equals to T, B is equals to R, C is equals to P, and D is equals to S. So the correct answer is option B. Looking towards the next question. Choose the correct option, proportion, with respect to the distribution of blood in the body of human. Now we know that the blood distribution is like 1% to heart muscle, then 20% for brain, 30% for liver, 40% for kidney, 5% for bones, and the remaining 4% for other organs. Now we have to choose the correct option where it is given 1% to heart muscles, 20% to brain, 30% to liver, 40% to kidney, 5% to bones, 40% to other organs. So the correct answer among the given option is option E. Next question. The following figure shows human heart, which labeled structure represent the bundle of His. Okay. Now here, the bundle of His is a collection of heart muscle cells specialized for electrical conduction that transmits the electrical impulses from AV node, that is located between the atria and the ventricle. So we have to find the one which is the bundle of His and is responsible for that. So correct answer is option C, which is there in between the atria and ventricle. To the point, that is option C. Next question. See the following blood vessels and identify it. Now here, this blood vessel is an artery because it has a smaller lumen and it has a smooth muscle. So blood vessel that derives oxygen-rich blood from the heart to the tissue of the blood, small lumen, is the identity. Then this B is a capillary. Very tiny blood vessel help to connect arteries and veins. Its outer layer of the capillaries are made up of the epithelial cells, and that's its identity. Next, C is veins. The blood vessel that returns deoxygenated blood from organs back to heart, and its identity is this large lumen. Now, A. Artery, B. Capillary, and C. Vein. So it's option B. So the correct answer is option B. And the last question. The diagram given below is the standard ECG of a normal person. The P waves, that is this area, represents what? So this is a normal ECG which has a 5 deflection, as you can see. P, Q, R, S and T, among which the P waves indicate impulse of contraction generated by sinoatrial node, and it spread in atria, causing atrial depolarization. Thus, correct option is B, that is contraction of both the atria.